Good morning, everyone. TERRAINE, owner of All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. We're out to do a house wash here in Green Haven, the Green Haven neighborhood of Sacramento. And it looks like sort of like an old Victorian style home. Very nice house. Has vinyl siding on it. Also has some wood lap siding right there. But as you can see right there, you can kind of just get a little visual. We'll be also doing the concrete as well after we do a house wash. We're gonna do a whole house wash, treat everything right there. You can kind of see, you see my hand right there, all this old mold and just dirt pretty much. We're also gonna go up on top and get in the patio and that top up there in that area. Probably we'll start and then we'll come down. We're gonna get all the way from here, get everything, get a visual of everything. Okay. Some of the things you can see, like this is actually like a stain right here. You kind of see that's stained from like water running down right there. Same thing up underneath here too. We'll clean all up under here as well. Get all this all cleaned out. Just take a look at everything, get a visual of everything. All right. Let's go around here. Some dirt at the bottom down there. You stand back this way so we can kind of get a visual of it. At the very peak up there, goes up about 3 stories there, so about 30 feet up. So let's see. So we want to get our solution, wet it all down, right? Give it some dwelling time on it, clean it all up, brighten it all up, and then rinse it down really good. We'll be getting that whole area there as well. We'll also be cleaning this pad right here as well, blowing all the leaves and then cleaning it as well, cleaning the surface with surface cleaning. The roof area, we're going to go ahead and treat the roof as well right there. We're going to put our solution on there and just kind of kill all that what you call moss and stuff. So I'm going to give it a good treatment up there. Take a look this way here. We'll be cleaning the sidewalk right here as well. And it's pretty much going to town for our client here. So if we look up to the top right there all the way, again that peak up there goes up again about 30 feet. So that's about considered a 3-story. So we'll be hitting that with our X-Jet, our M5. And we can get that high peak here. You can see heavy debris built up at the bottom down there. Take a look all the way around here. Yeah, we're just cleaning the property up really good because our client's getting ready to put his house on the market. So all the spider web will blow all these leaves out from back there as well. And you can see right here, this is pretty just dirt for the most part, right? So once we get it all cleaned up, should look a lot nicer there. Same thing, it goes up pretty high up there. See that? So from an angle, we have to get a good angle to be able to hit that right there, because it goes up there pretty high, as you can tell. See? So we're gonna give this house what we like to call, it's a soft wash, but it's like a bubble bath. So we're not gonna put any pressure on it. It's gonna soft wash it. And of course, we're gonna be mindful around these particular areas right here, not to spray direct water into that for sure. And then you can see around the frames there. We'll go up, there's that peak again. It's about 30 feet up right there. Go ahead, just set it all down, soak the whole house down and wash the whole house. And I told them as well, we'll come up and clean the porch right here and this stain right here. Just get this area all cleaned up and look presentable for them. And then you have a little area right up there. I don't know if you can see that. It's some moss right there. We'll treat that as well. And then we'll just clean the front and clean everything all up. See? Clean everything all up. Get it from the bottom as well. Right? Okay, and then the front is not as bad as the other side. So, and this side right here doesn't appear to be that bad. You probably can't see it in the camera, but I can see some, I can see like mold or whatever on the vinyl or dirt. It needs to definitely be cleaned. And that goes up again at very top, 3 stories up there, 30 feet up. Look at that, the highest part. We're gonna go up right there. Also hit this angle right here, come back down. So I see right here some discoloration right here. So you can see this is just, that's inside of it like that. So you have some discoloration spots inside of the actual vinyl right there. But yeah, this definitely could use a clean. So it's gonna clean it up really good. It's gonna clean it up nice. Look at the windows, they got the old crank out windows, it looks like. All right. So there we go, there we have it. So there's our video right there. And look at the bottom there. Everything's closed up. I told them to have everything closed up. We're all good to go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set up now.